Nature, they say, is the best healer, and the silence it has to offer is a medicine for the mind and the soul. Take a stroll through the pathways created by it and imbibe the positive energies. Breathe in the freshness of the greens, soaking in sheer glory and magnificence of the perfect artwork created by Mother Nature. As I stood here, I realized how small my existence is in the universe. Just a minute but significant life form on planet Earth. We are just a part of the universe and not at the center of it. So goes for our problems in life. Consider them small, they will appear small. As I stood here, I just realized that we come from nature and we will go back to it with a lifespan of only few decades. So why not make this short life worth it? Whenever possible, take a few minutes from your busy schedule and let yourself be engulfed by this beauty. Listen carefully to the loudness of the silence. Let yourself go for a few moments and immerse in the ocean of tranquility nature has to offer. A few moments and feel the difference those few moments will make to your life.